Is agile a luxury in the present remote working environment? How do we go about making remote teams agile? How did Vinay, as a leader, lead this transition in his organization? Let's find out.
I'll respond to this question in two parts. One, some part of the problem lies in the people who are saying that, and some part of the problem lies on our community, which is a group of trainers, coaches, and all that. I'll take that later on. The first part, there is this famous visual, almost everybody would have seen. Somebody's pushing a cart and there are wheels and saying that, I'm trying to be smarter. That's very, very relevant, more so today, and precisely what you said. People, the moment we start thinking in a transformation that I have to do extra for achieving the goal, not even the new goal, I'm saying goal, then I think we have missed the entire concept of transformation. We have to use different tools, methods, and behaviors. I'm insisting on behaviors, the way we interact with people.
Mm-hmm.
It has to change more faster and quicker than the tools and methods. Tools and methods, I always say it's very easy. You download something from internet, you will know the concept. Accepting and behaving and making your teams as lead, when if you're a leader, making the teams operate in that manner, allowing them to be successful, allowing them to fail, and then stand up in those situations again,
Mm-hmm.
bounce back. You will never have a perfect recipe. Nobody has a perfect recipe to make tea. So how can you think of doing a transformation? Can you make a perfect tea by just reading a good recipe from the best of the chefs? Honestly, you can't.
Yeah.
Transformation also will not. Different types of human beings are there. Different mindsets are there. Different baggages are there. Different speeds are there. So you have to inspect and adapt more of your behaviors. And that is where it is very, very critical that we understand that it is not burden, it is simplifying the way you operate. Can you look at, out of the 10 things which takes 80% of your time in a day, how many are relevant today? How many times you review a project? I'm just talking about the leaders. What frequency you were reviewing in the past, what frequency you should review now? How many teams have you created because you just wanted to create multiple silos in the organization in a given era? Just collapse that. Empower your members. Allow them to think new. Be their guard rails, saying that, allow them to fail. The moment you do that, lovely. This is what the people who should invite people to do agile transformations, they should change. The leaders, managers, even the last grassroots level members as well. Now, what we should change as transformation coaches, agile coaches, quality managers, lean experts, you take any name, broadly, we do the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
And we can be very passionate about saying what I've learned more than the other, what certificate I have, and that those associations we can bring in to the table. First is the mindset. How can you simplify that for the user? Today, if you really look at how the teachers are teaching the kids, is very different from the classrooms they managed 18 months ago.
Yeah.
If those teachers who are not being taught how to teach online
Mm-hmm.
can learn it more effectively, how we who have spent many years in the corporate world cannot demonstrate that flexibility to bring that element of change. I potentially cannot do the same exercises and the same concepts and the same games which I can do in a classroom session. So if I'm not changing that, am I teaching concepts or am I teaching them how to uh, drop the old thought and adapt a new thought and be flexible in that experimentation journey?
Sure.
That is the part which we have to teach. The problem which I see in the industry is we bring people again to teach like a classroom, and again we start teaching the concept which is available on internet free of cost, and then keep on giving them 50 different variants of that same thing. Now you have confused them more than ever. They had some baggage, they had some bad experience, they have read more than what you can think of, and now you are confusing them with your own version. So it's worse than what it is. But what you missed out is how that concept can be transported in that particular situation which the person is dealing with. And mostly it's about people topics, less about tools and methods.